I'm going to take this opportunity to show you how the BraunAbility Turny EVO seat is used. Let's have a look. Here's the Turny EVO. You'll see a position in the passenger seat. If you view this as the engine of the vehicle, you want to come to the right side of the vehicle, you'll press and hold this button. If the seat has been moved inside the vehicle, forward for example, to give the person behind more room, the seat will automatically return to 0, then it will start its path out of the vehicle. So I'm pressing and constantly holding. The seat will come out and lower. This will allow for an easier transfer. The seat does have a 370-pound capacity. Optional items are armrest for either left or right side, heat, and a smooth leatherette. This here is a footrest that can be used when the person's on the seat. So I'm still continually holding. If you get disoriented or your equilibrium goes out, you can stop, collect yourself, and then continue on the path out. So once you've reached the desired height for transfer, you would transfer to. You would press the left side of the button now to enter into the vehicle. This is a one-path rotation, so if you stop, the seat stops, but it will constantly follow the same sweep every time. Now, as it rotates in, should you find your feet getting caught in the corner of the door versus the body, you can pause to reposition your feet and then continue along the path. You'll notice on the pendant there's 2 red colors, meaning it will not function in that manner. 2 green colors will allow it to function in that manner. So for example, I can press forward to give more room to the person in the back seat. Now it'll have 3 green lights, 4 actually, no 3, to allow you to function. Okay, that's that one. In this portion of the video, I will show how to use the manual backup system. Let's have a look. So in the event a seat malfunctions and you need to get it into the vehicle, you have been supplied this backup tool. This is for an unoccupied seat. I'll place it there for the moment. To get the seat up to height, you will bring the backrest forward. You'll remove this locking tab. Simple slide up. You will take the seat by the front corners, lift it up and in. At the front of the seat, there's another locking tab. Push out, pull out. This will allow it to rotate. And this is where this would come in now. To back the seat up on the mounting plate, you will take this chuck and position it in the backrest of the base. So right here. By putting it in there, you use this ratchet tool. Try going the other way. And you'll ratchet it backwards. This will allow the seat to back up on the base. Now it is not very quick, obviously, to protect the motor and gears and track and that. However, this is how you do it to get it in. And once you've cleared the dash, you would be able to rotate the seat back in place. Now once again, this is an unoccupied manual backup.